In this guide, we are going over all of the controls for Bizarre Lineage on Roblox so that you know and can use every feature in the game. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Bizarre Lineage has a lot more mechanics and combat inputs than most Roblox anime games, so learning the controls can obviously make a huge difference when you start fighting stronger enemies. Let's start with the basic movement controls. You can move your character using the W, A, S, and D keys. To perform a basic attack combo, you use the left mouse button, and this is the M1 light attack chain. The right mouse button performs the M2 heavy attack, but this only works if you're using the shift lock mode, just like so. You can press spacebar to jump, just like most Roblox game, and if you double tap W, your character will start sprinting, and you can also enable automatic sprinting in the settings if you prefer. Now, if you press left shift, you toggle the shift lock mode, which does help a lot during combat since you don't have to hold down on your right mouse and you can use that heavy attack. And if you press control, you'll slide, which can be useful for movement as well. The F activities activates flash step, which is a fast movement ability that helps you reposition during fights. You can use G to evasive blink and Q to dash or dodge. But to summon your stand, you press tab, which will allow you to start using your stand abilities. Press H to activate stand awakening, and then go ahead and use the backquote key to open up your inventory. Press P, which will allow you to pose. And the number keys 1 through 9 are going to activate moves placed on your hotbar, which we don't have open right now. Now, if you don't like any of these keybinds, you can change them in the settings menu. Just open up your settings up in the top left corner. Once you go in here, you can customize all of these just like so, but it really is as simple as that. Those are going to be all of the controls here in Bizarre Lineage. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.